Mwakilishi wa basubati kurwase kaunti ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Dorice Aburi gukwana samagacho y'ebunge kaunti ya Nairobi omo basorero nigakwanira kuganya gukororo gukwaneke miruberio nkubekwire yabarai abasubati handimo na sechi committee chikendrete korosi wase bunge yo unankubekwa buri aseri bagaja bosi asabona atebire nerebuya basubati nabaro banyore amabaga yo kwaneke agwikirania obokoreri bwa basenchirengia nakuba wakilisha abananchi asenchirengia.
Mr. Speaker, I stand on Standing Order 173. There is an accident which has happened to women in this Kenya. And this is a horrible accident. Yes, a serious one. A serious accident on the Committee of Transport, whereby we have 15 members and there is only one lady. That is an accident, Mr. Speaker. A big one, according to Standing Order 173. One lady, you can imagine, Mr. Speaker, 14 men seated against one woman. They cannot even deliberate. And we applied for this position. So you want to tell us women cannot manage transport committees, yet we are the ones who walk miles to the markets, to the rivers, and then what are you telling us? When we go to social protection, you've put all the women there, then you want us to approve the NADICO report. The men in this house, we need justice. This committee needs to be disbanded, Mr. Speaker. Women voices should be respected. Yeah? That's why even they are allocating women reps who are serving 4 to 10 constituencies, same allocation of operations as a single member of parliament, Mr. Speaker. This should stop. Women must be respected. We are the ones who breastfeed. We bring life to this world. Mr. Speaker, it is very wrong. We protest. We don't like it. We want balance. We want equity. Equity. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
And Donya, the constitution of committees is done by your leaders. One is sitting in front of you, to whom you are preaching the accident. The other is sitting across the floor. Take their complaints to them so that you can be able to address them.